Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, KGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga. And in this video, I am going to talk you class 8 Computer Science. And here is the new chapters, that is the third chapter. So let's learn Access 2010. This is the first day of this chapter. So in this video, we people are able to learn about Access 2010. We will able to learn MS Access 2010. So let's see, we have already know about the computers. It is the electronic machines, and whenever we are putting input, we are putting so many data, it is doing process and giving the results, that is the useful informations. So first of all, we are putting the data, that is the unorganized raw data. We are giving to the computer, and it is doing the processing and giving the useful results. That result is the information. So let's see. We have to talk about the data. We have so many data available. So let's see, in our house we have the students, children's marks sheet records, so many contacts in our mobile phones, and we have purchasing so many items from the markets. We are doing the shoppings, so we have so many list of data. That data is the raw data. So we have two requirements to manage the raw data. How actually we are managing those data, so that whenever we have necessity, we can easily able to get it finds. In case of house, it is very small data, but whenever we are talking to a big organization, big companies, then they have so many data, very large amounts of data. Let's see about the number of employees, their salary, their wages, their bonus, their coming, goings, presence. Whenever we are talking to some companies which is doing sales, then there's demand orders, and their stocks, their ledger balance, so their cost price. So many data is there. So how actually we are managing all those data, such a large quantity of data? So we have to requirement. Requirements is a type of software, so that we can easily able to store it, manage it, and manipulate it. So first we know about the database. It is an organized collection of related data values. Here is the term related values. Whenever we are talking to employees number, then related to employees. Whenever we are talking to students, then related to that stock, then that. So here is the collection of related data values in such a way that they can be used to generate useful information. Whenever we have simply the data, raw data, then there is no any meanings. That is the meaningless. It is not giving any useful information. But whenever we are arranging all those data in an organized way, in a good ways, then it is giving the useful informations of that data, which is necessary for decision making process. So let's see, whenever we have so many data, and that data are separated. One data is something separate place, other data is something separate place, and then we have to make any decision on any critical problems. Then we have to need to combine all those data at one place, and we are able to view all those data at one place, and then very easily able to make the decisions, what should be the good decisions. So we are putting all those data at one place, and after viewing all those data, it is helping in decision making process on any critical problems. Okay, now database management system. So for doing that, for requirements of those large amount of data, we have need a database management system. This is a type of software. It is a computer based applications used to create, store and manipulate the database. So we are creating the database and against creating, after creating we are doing storing for the long period of times, and after that according to the scenario the data is going to change. So we have to delete some data, we have to add some data, and again so we have to do manipulation, doing change the data. So it is very easily able to help in create, store and manipulate the data. So this is known as database management system. It is very helpful whenever we need a piece of data, a segment of data. Then from this software we can very easily and quickly able to retrieve the data. So whatever the data we have necessity from the large amount of data, so it is also helpful in that directions. We can able to learn one by one so many the database objects we have, say as the tables, query, form, reports. I will cover one by one, and each and every objects and every pillars have its own functions and advantage. So I will show you all those advantage one by one. In next video I will talk you about some of the advantage of management systems. So how actually this is helpful with people whenever we are managing such a large amount of data. So how this video was, you have to comment. Okay, thank you.